Hello to all the grannies and to all of those who might want to be grannies. This is Sunita from the Granny Cloud, and I'd like to share a little bit about the Granny Cloud with you. Every so often, we have people getting in touch with us, wanting to know a little more about the cloud. And we've realized that not all the time do people want to read. So we thought we'd try something new this time and share, possibly through a different variety of series, different aspects of the Granny Cloud through audio clips. And this is just a very brief introduction. Well, as you can imagine, one of the most common questions we get is how did it all start and why did it start? Well, so it's a long story, but we'll try and make it as short as possible. A long time ago, close on 11, 12 years now, we noticed in one of the experiments that we were doing in Hyderabad, in India, that children for whom special self-organized learning environment labs, SOL labs, had been set up, were actually unable to do any SOL sessions. And we were possibly a little naive and realized that, hey, just because it's an English medium school doesn't automatically mean that the children are fluent in that language. And we're talking about 11, 12 years ago. So the situation was quite different from what it is right now. And there was very little material on the internet that was not in English. So knowing English and being able to comprehend what you read in English was a key to being able to do any kind of search in it. So, well, then the conversation grew around what do we do to change this situation? And that's when the idea of the Granny Cloud came up. So we started inviting native English speakers to converse with children, tell them a story, sing songs with them, trying to simulate a situation where you would learn the language because you heard it, which is pretty much the way we pick up our own native languages, because you hear it spoken all around you. And that was the same idea behind the Granny Cloud. So yes, there were native English speakers speaking with children, primarily at that point in time in Hyderabad and in one location in Maharashtra, both in India. And well, actually 10 locations in Hyderabad, one location in Maharashtra. And that's all that they would do, have a conversation, sing songs, read stories together, generally chat with each other. That was the beginning of the Granny Cloud. We hope you've enjoyed listening to this little clip about one tiny aspect of the Granny Cloud. If you would like to know more about it, do visit our website www.thegrannycloud.org. There's loads of information over there, and if you would like to join the initiative, please do apply. Thank you. This is Sunita from the Granny Cloud.